Good day, everyone. I'm King Muhammad Kuring, PCC BSIT student, and now going to tackle or discuss about HIV and AIDS. HIV is a virus that attacks the immune system, our body defense against infection and illness. It is primarily transmitted through certain body fluids, such as blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. The transmission most commonly occurs through unprotected sexual contact, sharing needles, receiving contaminated blood products or organ transplant, or from mother to child during childbirth or breastfeeding. It's, it's crucial to recognize that HIV is not spread through everybody activities like hugging, shaking hands, or sharing common items. Understanding how HIV is transmitted is the first step in dispelling myths in reducing the stigma associated with the virus. The impact of HIV on individuals and communities is immense. If left untreated, HIV can progress to AIDS, the final and most severe stage of the infection. At this stage, the immune system is significantly compromised, making individuals susceptible to opportunities infection and certain cancers. Yet there is hope. Advances in medical science have given us powerful tools to control the virus and help individuals with HIV lead healthy lives. Antiretroviral therapy plays a critical role in managing HIV, suppressing the virus replication and maintaining a strong immune system. Early detection, access to medical care, and adherence to treatment are key factors in effectively managing HIV. Prevention is equally important. Safe sexual practices, the use of clean needles, syringe, knowing your partner's HIV status, and for those at high risk, taking pre-exposure prophylaxis are essential strategies. Education and awareness are fundamental in breaking down barriers, reducing discrimination, and encouraging early testing and treatment. As a community, we must come together to support those affected by HIV and AIDS. Let us foster an environment of understanding, compassion, and empathy. Through education and open dialogue, we can eliminate the stigma associated with HIV, empower individuals to get tested, and ensure that those living with HIV the care and support they need. Let us commit ourselves to spreading awareness, advocating for accessible healthcare, and standing in solidarity with those affected by HIV and AIDS. By working together, we can build a world where everyone, regardless of their HIV status, can live a life free from discrimination and enjoy the right to health and well-being. Thank you.